Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Sites to build your own personal website. Now, this is a beginner's tutorial, so make sure to follow the steps as I show you. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's head on to your computer browser and go to this website, that is sites.google.com. And once you're in the website, so this is where will you be getting. So you have blank, you have family update, you have portfolio, event, help center, and project. So these are the templates you can use. As you can see, this is a template gallery. There are a lot of galleries you can use for your website. So I'm just going to show you how to make a website from scratch. So once you've entered into the website, just click on this plus icon right here, or the blank option. So just click on that and it will lead you to this page right here. So once again, this will be your page and this is where you will be editing your website. So as you can see right here, you have insert, pages, and themes. So under themes right here, you can edit the interface of your website. You can change the color right here. So as you can see like that, I can change the color, or I can also change the style. So as you can see right here, I've already changed the style by clicking on this themes options right here. Let's pick another one like that. So you have a bunch of different options. I'm just gonna choose this one because it's very nice and it's very aesthetically pleasing. And next, if you want to change the font or the title of your website or the title page of your website, just click on this and of course delete that one. And let's say I'm gonna change my the text and I'm gonna make a website of my own personal blog. So I'm just gonna say my own blog, and it's all about white bedrooms like that. So as you can see, you can also change the font style right here. So let's go for something more professional right here. So you can choose a thin text, an extra light text, a light text, or you can go for something black or extra bold. So I'm just gonna put in light right here. And the title, you can leave it as it is. You can also add a subheading or some small text right here like that, and I'm gonna put this into a subheading. Okay, so let's just leave it as it is. As you can see, you can also put this into a bold, and you can also change that so that it won't be bold anymore. And you can just click on this for background image properties that are controlled by themes. And of course, enter your site name. So if you have a logo, you can add a logo right here. So just click on that and click on upload right here and select the logo you have on your personal computer. So I'm just gonna put this right here. So this is just for example, and as you can see, a logo has now appeared in my personal website or personal blogs about bedrooms. And you can enter the site name. So I'm just gonna type on www.whitebedrooms.com. So you can also change this one right there. And of course, if we are done with editing the title page or the header, you can now put some content into your personal website or your personal blog. So text box is pretty much self-explanatory. If you click on the text box, it will give you a text box right here, and you can add a text right here like, these are my favorite bedroom designs. And you can change the font style right here, and you can also change it to heading like that. And you can also change where you want to align your your text box. So I'm just gonna put it in right here at the center. So there you have it. And now next, if you want to add some images, you can also add some images to your text box right here, or to your personal website. Or if you want to add some images and a text, you can also choose this content blocks. So I'm just gonna click on this one right here, and as you can see, it has already been prepared for us. So just click on this plus icon and upload an image, or you can also select an image from your Google Drive right here, or you can also get an image from YouTube or a video from YouTube. So let's just upload a video, or a photo rather. So I'm just gonna choose this photo right here, and there you have it. And you can add some text. You can say design number 1, design number 1 is very calming to look at. I like this one very much. So you can it's up to you if you want to add or not. So personally, I like to do it like this. And you can also add another photo right here. Just click on upload and go to the photo that you want to upload again right here. And you can also add another text right here describing on what the photo is all about. And next, if once we have done that, you can add a collapsible group right here. Just look at it. Just look at it on what you can do with it, and you can add some table of contents right here. As you can see, you can insert an image, and you can add some buttons like email me, and you can copy the link of your email or your Gmail and put it right here. You can also add some divider. As you can see, there is a divider right here, and you can also add a spacer. So you can, as you can see, this is pretty much self-explanatory right here. You can add some spacer to put a space into your website, or what you want to do next, or what you want to have next into the second page. And now social links right here, you can add a social link. So you can add your Facebook if you have a Facebook of your website. If you have a Instagram or a Twitter or TikTok, you can add those right here. Just copy the link right here and just paste the link of your social media links and click on insert, and it will automatically have it right here. And now a placeholder, you can add an image to your placeholder right here. You can add whatever image that you want. So I'm just gonna choose this image, for example, and you can also drag that one, and depending on what size you want. You can also add a YouTube channel if you have, or a YouTube video that you want. So I'm just gonna send bedroom designs right there. So right here, I'm just gonna click on this and click on select, and as you can see, a video has now been linked into my website from YouTube. And now you can also add a calendar to your page like that. You can click on your account to sync your calendar in Google to your Google sites right here. And now you can click on maps. You can add some docs and some slides, some sheets, some forms, and some charts. So whatever you want to do, you can do it right here. It is very simple and it's very easy. Now next, if you want to add another page, you can go to pages right here. So just click on new page right here, and you can type on the name of your new page. So I'm just gonna type on page number 2. Click on done. So right here, this is page number 2, or you can rename this to bedroom designs. Bedroom design like that, and you can add a subheading like that, page 2. So again, you go to insert if you want to add another text box, an image, some embed, and you can go to Drive, so you can automatically upload some of your files from Google Drive into your Google website, and use content blocks like this. You can add some text already right here. You can add some photos, and of course, what what I have explained on the page 1 of this page right here, you can also do it on your page number 2. So it is very self-explanatory and is very easy to do. And now if you want to publish your website, just click on publish right here. And of course, click on the web address right here. So make sure that it is the website that you want. So what I have right here is www.whitebedrooms.com. And of course, who can view my site? Anyone. So if you don't want anyone to view your site, just click on manage right there. So as you can see right here, I've clicked on public, and I'm going to click on done, and make sure to check on the request public search engine to not display my site. So if you don't want to or if you don't want your site to be displayed on Google search, on Opera, or on anything, or on any search engines, just click on this. Or if you want to, so just uncheck that one. And now just click on publish right here, and as you can see, it is publishing. And now as you can see, your site has been published successfully. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. I basically covered all of this one, and if you want to try, you can go to sites.google.com and see for it yourself. And of course, that's about it, and I hope you like this video. And if you do like this video, please give this a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!